More champagne, darling.
Welcome to Raffles Hotel.
Thank you.
Have you seen this chateau before?
Yes, we stayed here before.
Ah, okay. Thank you for coming by. Welcome back.
Yes.
Alright, so you speak? Stay here.
Thank you. Feel the tension leaving my body. Since being opened by the Armenian Sarkis brothers in December 1897, Raffles Hotel has been synonymous with luxury standards in service and accommodation. Thank you. Welcome to Raffles.
Ooh, look at that bathroom.
It is.
It's like a big shipping truck. Coffee.
Coffee,
Oh, heavens.
champagne.
Oh, okay.
I need one of these at home. Just
Oh,
hitting the hard stuff. And a giant bottle of gin. Someone has spilled on the floor. Need to clean the floor, Raffles. Too big for our carry-on luggage. Someone at the door, dear.
This is Mr. and Mrs. Blackford.
Yes.
My name is Chloe, one of your butler.
Thank you.
We have this iPad here.
Yes.
You can control the lights, temperature, and the TVs as well. So you can adjust everything. And this is service call button. If you need any help, you can just press the button, either one. We also have brand new this mini bar. Okay, would you like to have your welcome drinks now, or
Sure.
get to Singapore Sling for you? It's alcohol.
Yes, please.
Okay, great. I'll be right back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
cheers.
A 2-year renovation, which was completed in 2019, has ensured that the rooms are luxurious and very modern, but still retain all their colonial charm. This week on Slumming It in Singapore, we are staying at the formerly iconic Raffles Hotel. I say formerly because now we're here, it's gone to shit. We can't hang in the room all day. Raffles also boasts a day spa, fully equipped gymnasium and luxurious swimming pool to escape the tropical afternoon heat. With a glass or two of wine, of course.
More champagne, darling.
What the poor people are doing today.
Go to the cloud forest when you're hot.
Just 2 stops on the MRT from Raffles quickly gets us to one of Singapore's premier attractions, the Gardens by the Bay. The fields. The Cloud Forest Dome, which boasts the world's second highest indoor waterfall, is an architectural wonder filled with a lush tropical oasis. Inside the dome, the 42-metre-high cloud mountain is crisscrossed with stupendous suspended aerial walkways that lead you around the misty mountain top. The neighbouring Flower Dome is officially listed as the world's largest greenhouse building and is filled with rotating displays of floral wonders from around the world.
There you go. See the flowers.
Very beautiful.
Exit
Yep.
through the gift shop. So I might change the name of the channel to Exit Through the Gift Shop. So now this is architecture. What kind of a madman says, I'm going to put a surfboard on top of 3 buildings that are hollow in the middle? And somebody says, yeah, I'll pay for that. That's just crazy stupid. But whoever thinks it up is a mad genius.
Yeah, that's right. Genius.
Time to leave. Time to leave my little piece of paradise. This is where I play the sad guitar music. No, I mean the sad acoustic guitar music. Yes, please.
5,
7.
7, just right here.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up.
One last look.
Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Don't want to draw it out any longer.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
With your luggage here.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
Going to a T3, right?
That's correct, yes.
It's going the first class or business class, right?
Economy. Well, premium economy.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
Back to the man.
I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go and find your own.
Here we are. It's time to get x-rayed.
I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind, watch the river run. The sun would always
Morning, sir. Mr. Blackford, please make a right turn as well.
As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that of other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're.
How's that?
Very smooth.
Very quiet too.
Very quiet.
River's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're.
Thank you to Flight Singapore. The member of Star Flight.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up.
Not one person said goodbye.
Oh, they're all distracted with all their people with special needs.
I am special needs. Trip's over, darling. It's all over till next time.
Yep.
So don't forget to hit the like button. Comment below. What did you think of our trip? Don't forget to subscribe to come along on the next one. See you next time. Hi, Vic.
My favourite taxi driver.
Oh.